Today, I want to share with you how to write a landing page. So how to use the different sections to write a landing page. And a landing page can be used for an offer. So if you have a course or a membership, or it could be used to sell a package. So basically a landing page is just a page dedicated to one message, to one offer. So unlike your website where you may have kind of multiple pages and you might talk about multiple things that you do, multiple services, a landing page is really, really specific. So we talk about the rule of one in copywriting, which is a landing page should talk to one person, one target audience only. Don't try and talk to multiple target audiences if you have them. So one audience, one message, and one offer. So we're not trying to kind of give people this option or this option. It's really, really specific to one package or one offer that you have. So I've been writing a landing page for my new Voice of Customer free mini course. So this forms the first module of my website, Words Academy, and I'm going to start allowing people to access that module for free so that they can do the Voice of Customer method and learn how to do it. And then if they would like to then go onto the website, Words Academy, they can. If they don't, they've learned this amazing way of helping them write quickly and easily for their business. So I want to talk you through the landing page for Voice of Customer today. But I also want to show you how I've used Voice of Customer to write the landing page. So it's kind of showing you not only what this landing page looks like, but also how Voice of Customer can help you write in the future as well. So first of all, I'll just talk you through the different sections. So we have a headline here, get real-time insights into, I'll just move myself, into how your clients think and feel, and then use it to write epic copy. So we want a really inspirational headline. We then want a bit of a subhead, which tells people exactly what they're going to learn and why they should care. I've included a video here, and I'm finding videos are working really, really well on landing pages at the moment. People want to see how you explain it yourself. They don't necessarily want to read. They get a feel of who you are and whether they can connect with you. So I'm really finding it valuable to put video in the heading section when I'm writing landing pages for clients and for myself. And then I've got a really nice big call to action here. Sometimes people don't want to scroll past the what we call the above the fold section. So this is the bit before you start scrolling. Get a really good, clear call to action in there. And then I have a little bit of a problem statement. So we like to use the formula problem, aggravate the problem, and then solution as our kind of intro. So writing for your business is so hard because you're not doing this first. This is diagnosing the problem they have. You find writing hard, this is why. Diagnosing the problem is a really, really powerful hook when you're writing. It's called Voice of Customer Research, and it's a game changer. And then I go into a testimonial here from Lee. Then I have a self-identify section. So we want people to put their hand up and say, that is me, nodding along. If you want to go from I can't write to I can't wait for write, this is for you. If you want to have a bank of inspiration whenever you need to post, this is for you. So we're really saying to you, if you feel like this is right for you. I want all of this. Another really big, powerful call to action there. Keep asking people what you want them to do, and don't make it hard for them to find it. Make it nice and easy. I'm also finding that people are kind of, when it comes to courses or any kind of, I have to sign up for something or do something, I'm finding it's really, really powerful to put in a bit of a behind the scenes video, just showing people, just screen sharing like I'm doing right now. You can use Loom or any kind of screen sharing software, which is free, just to show people what it looks like inside. People don't want to feel ambiguity, that they don't know what they're going to get when they get inside. Is it going to be really technical? And I'm going to be faced with hundreds of videos, show people what happens when they get inside. And then a little bit of what they're going to get from it, confidence. And I know that is powerful for my customer because I can show you the Voice of Customer where they talk about confidence. You'll never be stuck to write again. You'll never be starting from scratch. Another testimonial here. Get started, a strong call to action. Let's get going. And then testimonials at the end. And then another call to action. So that's the kind of template I have used for my Voice of Customer Research. And I just want to quickly show you where these words have come from. I have used Voice of Customer Research to write this landing page. I was not starting from scratch when I went to write it. You can see here my testimonials, and what I've done is I've highlighted. So one of my clients said real-time insights, so I used it in my headline. This about confidence in my writing style, confidence in my ability to know what to sell. I reuse that in my copy. on fire with ideas and language. I'm going to use that in my ads. So whatever I've highlighted here, I have used it in the copy. This is such a bank of voice of customer information. Gives me lots of business clarity and confidence in my writing. I use that too. So the way I collected this voice of customer research is what I show you in the course. So I will show you how to create a spreadsheet that looks like this with all insights into your client's problems, needs, wants, desires, outcomes, transformations. You'll create something like this. And then it means when you do go to write your landing pages or your ad copy or your emails, when you're promoting your packages or your offers, you have a bank of inspiration to work from. You are never starting from scratch. So it's a kind of meta, I suppose, way of showing you that this is the offer I have, voice of customer research, but also this is how I use voice of customer research in real life to write my own copy. I never sit and start from scratch and just think, okay, what should I write? I take insights from my clients and I use that to write copy, because then I know that it's going to resonate with how they think and feel. So if you want to learn how to write, how to do this voice of customer method, I will share a link to the free course that I'm just promoting and I'm just kind of getting out there right now. But also, if you want to learn the template of writing a landing page, this is how I would do it. So headline, a really nice subhead, a video that shows what it's all about and shows who you are and why you're passionate about what you do, really big call to action, problem and solution statement, testimonial. This is for you if, so a self-identify section, another call to action, a sneak peek inside, the outcomes, what they will get from it, testimonials, and then some more testimonials at the end for that, really making sure that social proof comes through. And then another really strong call to action at the end. So that's the template of a landing page, and that's how you can use voice of customer to go about writing that landing page.